Okay, so we got it all cleaned up and drugged back in the garage here and ready to jack up. Got a little bit over to this side more, so once we move out the generators and such, I'll be able to get the other car in the garage. That'll be nice. But one of the reasons we kind of slowed down on this project, well, one of the many reasons, is our truck over here. Went to get it inspected a few weeks ago and they discovered this. Nice big hole there, even above the floorboard. So I took it to get an estimate, and I don't think we knew about the part above the floorboard, so the estimate might go up a little bit to get a new floor pan welded in it, but hey, that's what we got to do to get it running again. Yeah, I know it's an old truck, but I really like that truck, and that's the only rust that it has on it, and everything works on it except the cruise control for some reason. Never did work. Well, since I had it for 10 years. There's the seat, so we'll be able to be comfortable for a week or so while the truck's gone. I'm sure the cat will like it. So hopefully next week we'll get the torque tube back for this, and we'll get it up in the air and start taking the rear suspension and the bad torque tube out, and then start working on all that stuff. It'll be fun.